Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create icons from text in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. If you don't have, please download it. This is a free app. And now click apps and click AI powered. So you can scroll down and try to find icon wiz. Create icons from text. Effortlessly turn text into icons. So icon wiz help you create custom icons from simple text descriptions. Let's start by click use in new design. And here describe the icon you like to create. You can try an example, for example, for practicing. For best result, avoid using plural nouns. A cute cat with bow tie, hot air balloon, or just a dragon, the old dragon. Let's try with this and generate icon. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. And this is the result, the old dragon icon. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.